To ensure commercial success in dairy farming at all levels in Sri Lanka, dairy farmers, whether smallholders, medium holders, or large-scale operators, need to adopt innovative strategies, focus on sustainable practices, and enhance the efficiency of their operations. These strategies must be tailored to the specific needs of each dairy farmer group to overcome challenges, improve profitability, and ensure long-term sustainability. Smallholder dairy farmers, who represent the majority in Sri Lanka, often struggle with limited resources, which can hinder their growth. A viable solution for smallholders is the strengthening existing dairy societies and cooperatives. By pooling resources such as land, labor, and capital, dairy farmers can access economies of scale, allowing them to achieve greater operational efficiency and bargaining power. Additionally, smallholder dairy farmers must be provided with access to quality inputs and services. Training and extension services are essential to equip smallholder dairy farmers with the skills needed to manage their dairy farms effectively. Education on proper dairy farm management, animal health management, record keeping, and milk handling will increase productivity and improve milk quality, leading to better market prices. For medium holder dairy farmers, the focus should be on introducing modern dairy farming practices that improve productivity and profitability. One of the most impactful strategies is the integration of mechanization and technology into daily operations. Milking machines, plastic silage drums, chaff cutters, micro-irrigation, and record-keeping tools can streamline the management of larger herds. Feed optimization is another critical area. Medium holders can develop strategies for growing their own feed, such as cultivating forage crops and establishing silage-making facilities to ensure a consistent and cost-effective supply of feed throughout the year. Furthermore, medium holders should consider expanding their operations into supplying good quality milk to processing value-added products such as cheese, butter, and yogurt can significantly increase profitability, as these products often command higher prices in the market. Large-scale dairy farms have the resources to implement advanced technologies and adopt precision farming techniques. The use of IoT devices and sensors allows for real-time monitoring of herd health, milk production, and environmental conditions. This level of monitoring ensures that dairy farmers can quickly identify and address issues before they affect productivity. Additionally, large-scale farmers should invest in research and development, R&D, to breed cattle with higher milk yields and better resilience to local climatic conditions. As part of their strategy, large-scale dairy farmers can also focus on export-oriented dairy production. By producing premium products that meet international standards, they can tap into regional and global markets, boosting their revenue streams. Technology plays a crucial role in improving dairy farm operations. Digital platforms can help farmers, particularly smallholders, gain better access to markets by connecting them directly to buyers, cooperatives, and suppliers. Mobile apps can streamline the buying and selling process, reduce intermediaries, and help dairy farmers receive better prices for their milk. AI and machine learning tools can be used to predict herd health issues, optimize feed usage, and track milk production. These technologies can increase overall productivity and reduce costs. Renewable energy solutions, such as small or large-scale biogas digesters, can also reduce operational costs. By converting manure into biogas, dairy farmers can generate energy for use on their farms, reducing dependence on external energy sources and lowering costs in the long term. To maximize profitability, dairy farmers need to focus on value-added products. Instead of selling only raw milk, dairy farmers should consider diversifying their offerings to include products like yogurt, flavored milk, ghee, curd, and specialty cheeses. This diversification allows them to capture different market segments and generate higher returns. Additionally, dairy farmers should explore the possibility of organic certification for their products. Organic dairy products often command premium prices, especially in international markets. Building a strong local or regional brand focused on high-quality, sustainable practices can also help increase consumer loyalty and demand. To ensure the long-term viability of dairy farms, it is important to focus on financial sustainability. Microfinance and credit schemes tailored to dairy farming cycles can help dairy farmers manage cash flow and invest in necessary equipment and inputs. Insurance products for cattle health and crop failures are also important for risk mitigation. Moreover, government incentives, such as subsidies, tax benefits, and grants, can support dairy farmers in adopting innovative technologies and sustainable practices. Sustainability is key to ensuring the long-term success of dairy farming. Climate-smart practices such as growing drought-tolerant fodder crops, rainwater harvesting, renewable energy sources, and efficient manure management can help dairy farmers adapt to changing weather patterns and reduce their environmental footprint. Additionally, Sri Lankan dairy farmers can participate in global carbon credit systems by adopting sustainable practices, such as methane capture. This not only helps combat climate change, but also provides farmers with an additional income stream. Training in regenerative agriculture can also improve soil health and pasture quality, which in turn boosts milk production. Establishing strong market linkages is essential for dairy farmers to maximize their profits. One way to achieve this is by creating dairy hubs, centralized locations where dairy farmers can deliver their milk, receive payments, and access processing facilities. This can help reduce logistical challenges and improve milk quality. Contract farming arrangements with dairy processing companies can also provide dairy farmers with consistent income. Additionally, focusing on export markets allows dairy farmers to diversify their revenue streams. Exporting Sri Lankan branded dairy products to countries and beyond can increase demand and profitability. For dairy farming to be commercially successful, dairy farmers need continuous capacity building. Establishing dairy farmer training centers, fodder banks, and hubs that focus on modern dairy practices, entrepreneurship, and financial literacy is crucial. By improving farmers' skills, they can run their businesses more effectively and make informed decisions. In particular, engaging the youth in dairy farming is essential for the future of the industry. Encouraging younger generations to pursue dairy farming through incentives and the introduction of tech-friendly farming practices can create a sustainable pipeline of talent. Additionally, gender inclusion in the dairy value chain, especially by empowering women with training and financial support, can significantly increase the overall productivity and profitability of the sector. To create a thriving dairy sector, collaboration between public and private sectors is essential. NGOs, government agencies, banks, and private companies can work together to provide training, resources, and funding to dairy farmers. Public-private partnerships can also help advocate for supportive policies that reduce barriers to entry for new dairy farmers and promote investment in the sector. Diversification is a key strategy for ensuring the long-term sustainability of dairy businesses. Beyond dairy production, dairy farmers can explore agrotourism, selling byproducts like manure or compost, and integrating crops with their dairy operations. Regular performance evaluations, focusing on profitability, productivity, and sustainability, are essential to identify areas for improvement and ensure continuous growth. Succession planning is also critical. Training the next generation of dairy farmers will ensure that the business remains successful for years to come. The path to success for Sri Lankan dairy farmers, whether small, medium, or large scale, involves innovation, sustainable practices, and building strong market linkages. By adopting the right strategies, dairy farmers can increase profitability, ensure long-term sustainability, and thrive in the competitive dairy market. With the right support, both from government and the private sector, dairy farming can become a more commercially successful and sustainable business in Sri Lanka.